We're at the Antlers Hotel. And look, we had Dover Impulses, but they got modernized. This is certainly a nice property. This one. That was loud. You going down?
No, up.
Oh, okay.
It?
This is going down.
Oh, is there a basement or something? Okay.
Yeah, there's garage under here. These used to be Dover Impulse. Ripped Dover Impulse. 16 floors. Is the Impulse Lantern original? No, but you can tell it was an Impulse Lantern because it's square or very thin shaped. You know what I mean. Oh, there's the old Dover logo down there too. Here's your fixtures. All right, back down to lobby. It looks like that's a big suite out there. This is certainly a nice hotel. Starbucks. I feel like every hotel in the country has a Starbucks in it in some way, shape, or form. Here's your cab. It's rather dim, but it's honestly very pretty though. So it's probably the original Dover cab, I bet. Anyway, here it goes. That's it.